Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Amber, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be taking a look at part of the Halloween collection from Lip Mermaid Cosmetics. Lip Mermaid Cosmetics is a company based out of San Diego, California that specializes in, they're like lip glosses and glitter but put into one tube as like a duo set. They have a whole array of different shapes of glitter paired with different colors of gloss, including a Halloween collection that will be coming out on Friday, September 4th. For the Halloween collection, they do have 3 different options that you can get. One is a deep dark purple gloss with a holographic bat-shaped glitter called Feelin Batty. They have an orange gloss with black cat-shaped glitter called Wicked Kitty. And then they have a black gloss with orange pumpkin-shaped glitters called High Pumpkin. Or you can buy the entire trio as a set called Haunt It, Flaunt It. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys Feelin Batty, the purple gloss paired with the holographic bat glitter. I would like to note that I am not being paid to make this video, but I did receive this particular product for free in exchange for featuring it on my social media pages. So I would like to say a huge thank you to Lip Mermaid Cosmetics for sending me the PR. With all of that being said, let's go ahead and look at the product. First of all, it does come in the tiniest, most adorable little packaging I have ever seen anything shipped in, and I am a sucker for tiny things, so it's already off to an adorable start. Then, of course, we have the product itself, which is in a little packaging, and I'm not gonna like, it is a pretty hefty size. Like, has anybody else gotten used to the fact that, like, lately these days makeup products are just kind of smaller than you expect them to be? Like, you can see all of the pictures online first, and like, you know, just like, I don't know, in my experience, at least lately, I feel like every lip product that I see online versus in person, like, everything is always smaller than you expect it to be. So when I got this, and it's actually like a decent, like, hefty little size, I was stoked. Now, technically, this is not the actual box packaging for the Halloween collection. I'm actually getting this product a few days early before the launch and official release of them on the website. So when this set was sent to me, they didn't actually have the Halloween packaging ready. So this is just like a generic package from one of their other colors. But as it stands, I got this Halloween one. And again, it is like a decent, hefty little sized product. So to test it out, I suppose we will just open it. Okay, so we got the glitter side open. Oh wow, okay. So it definitely, it opens up, and obviously it has your glitter inside. It kind of jumped out at you, but it's definitely like filled to the brim. Like, that shit was ready to pop out. Love it. It does come with a little lipstick applicator, which I was not expecting. I was definitely curious. I've never purchased a product like this before, so I had no idea what to expect with half of it being glitter. Like, if the glitter, if it was just going to be like straight like craft glitter, you could pour it out. If it was going to be mixed with an adhesive type product, obviously if it had like an applicator, which it does. And it does also look like it is mixed with some kind of glue type base. So obviously you can, as a little swatch, stick it to your skin. It doesn't look like it is the full rainbow spectrum. It does look like it's definitely got some like purple and green mixed in there. So I would say it's more of a duochrome bat than, well, all right, no, maybe it does have the full spectrum of the rainbow. It's just on a darker palette with more of it being like purples and greens. I don't know. It's beautiful. It reminds me of like rainbow chrome kind of oil slick type aesthetic stuff. But there we have the little bats, and then you throw it back on, and then we will look at the back side, like the glitter side, is definitely easier to open, so whenever you twist it, like that's the side that comes off first, so you do have to physically open up the other side, which we have as the purple gloss. And we'll go ahead. Actually, I'm not 100% sure if they're supposed to be liquid lipsticks or glosses. On this packaging, it says a matte liquid lipstick. Again, it's not the package for the particular product that I got, but if some of them are just matte liquid lipsticks, maybe they were all just liquid lipsticks. But that is the color that we have, which is super pretty. It's a very unique purple color. Like when I heard deep purple, I don't know what exactly I was expecting. This was definitely not the color. And then two, I had seen some earlier sneak peek previews on their Instagram stories. They had flash on and it made it look like the product was definitely more of like a light pale lavender type color. So I wasn't quite sure what to expect. This was definitely not it, but I am not mad at that at all. Like, it's almost more of a dusty kind of purple. Like, I'm getting graveyard vibes from it. Why? I don't know, because I've never really associated the color purple with graveyards, but it is perfect for Halloween, which works because it's part of the Halloween collection. I am very excited to try that out. Oh, and I do already have some product on my lips. I had like a hydrating lip oil on earlier, so my lips aren't completely bare. I love that I'm so pale that my camera has no idea what to do with the white balance, but this is the color applied to my lips. I'm not gonna lie, I'm super into it. This definitely applied and feels more like a liquid lip. Not that I'm mad at that at all. That's actually definitely preferable to me, because I was like, okay, like a gloss but a darker color. I was afraid that it was gonna be like super transparent and not the vibe, but I was wrong. This is 100% the vibe, especially because if anybody has been following me on any of my socials, you guys may know that I have been into the darker lip colors lately, specifically like blacks and blues. I have been wanting to try a purple. I just haven't found one that I've liked. It's like affordable, you know, because your girl's a broke ass bitch. I love this color. Okay, and I don't know, I mean, I don't know how many of y'all are like influencers, so I don't know if this is like a thing anybody else has, but do you guys ever like feel guilt over being super hyped about a product that you were either sponsored by or got for free as PR? Because I always feel like people don't believe me. They're like, oh, well, you're either paid to make it or you got it for free, so obviously you're not gonna be, obviously you're going to be nicer about it than you would be another product. But honestly, this shit slaps. Like, this color, I would genuinely want to purchase on my own. Like, after seeing a swatch of it on a person, I would consider buying it. Because, like, obviously it's super beautiful in the package, but you definitely don't get the same vibe. And like the color does not at all look the same in the tube as it does on the lips. That, and two, I feel like with my particular skin tone, at least because I am so pale at the moment, that this color does pair well with it. I would definitely be curious to see it tried on a few other skin tones as well to see how it vibes with other people. But if you look like a ghost, it'll definitely work for you. Like, I can't get over how into it I am, honestly. Plus two, I definitely like intentionally did an orange eye look to go with purple, because like, you know, Halloween and orange and purple like look good together usually. So I am really excited that it did go well together and didn't like clash the look. That being said, I do want to throw a couple of the little holographic bats around the eyes and see what the vibe is. And again, just beware, like it is definitely packed to the brim, which is obviously like fantastic. You want the most product that you can get, but be careful whenever you are opening the glitters so as you don't make a mess. Okay, I don't think you guys can see it. Let's get a close-up. Look how cute that shit is. I got little baby bats on my eyeshadow. And they're super, super easy to apply. Like, I'm not somebody who has ever worked with shaped glitter in a makeup look. And I would have assumed that it was like much more difficult, but this shit is so easy. Like you literally just get a little one on the applicator and make sure to position it in like the shape that you want. I'm sorry, not the shape that you want, the like direction that you want. Like make sure it's not upside down or anything unless like that's the vibe you're going for, and just like pop it on. It does definitely have some kind of like glue on it or some kind of adhesive on it, so it is easy to apply. You literally just stick it on and you're good to go. Oh, I'm so excited. Plus two, like with this, with the obviously bats, like have you ever seen those eyeshadow swatches on like Instagram where people will do like full like images and full like looks that like could be paintings and pieces of art because they're just straight up like entire scenes? This would be great for people who do those kind of eyeshadow looks and swatches because it would be a really easy way to just add a little pop on top, or to be able to get like more of an intricate design that you didn't want to try and get with a brush. Like it makes me want to do a whole like haunted spooky house scene with the bats like flying off in the distance. You know, you feel? I did not think I was gonna be this excited. Like the concept of the product is simple, you know, like a double set like glitter and lip stuff, you know, it's cute, but it's also original. Like I haven't seen that before, at least personally, you know, like I've never heard of this kind of product before. So to me it feels like an original concept, but still like simple and like will apply and appeal to a lot of people. Like this looks so good. I am actually so excited, especially for Halloween. Like if you are looking for any Halloween products, go get this shit while they still have them in stock. I don't know if they're going to be keeping it throughout the year or if it is just a seasonal, like once Halloween hits it's gone. If you have any interest in the company, they are Lip Mermaid Cosmetics. I will leave all of their websites and socials down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had a blast hanging out with y'all. Peace.